In a world where everyone seemed too busy to care, there lived a young girl named Mirhaa. Mirhaa loved to imagine that invisible strings connected all people, even if they couldn't see them. One day, Mirhaa decided to test her theory. She walked to the nearby park, carrying a basket full of colorful yarn. As people passed by, Mirhaa called out gentle hellos and offered to tie a piece of yarn around their wrists. Many ignored her, but a few stopped, curious about the little girl's mission. To each person who accepted, Mirhaa said,
"This string connects you to everyone else. When you feel alone, just tug on it, and someone will feel it."
Days passed and Mirhaa continued her project. Slowly, more and more people in the neighborhood wore colorful yarn bracelets. Then, one rainy afternoon, something magical happened. A man with a blue yarn bracelet stumbled and nearly fell. Suddenly, hands reached out to steady him. The helpers all wore Mirhaa's bracelets. They smiled at each other, realizing the connection they shared. Word of Mirhaa's invisible strings spread. People began to notice each other more, offer help, and share kindness. The once disconnected neighborhood transformed into a warm, caring community. Mirhaa's simple act of connecting people with yarn reminded everyone of the invisible bonds we all share.
Sometimes, all it takes is a little string to show us how connected we truly are. Remember, every small act of kindness tugs on the invisible string that connects us all. What will you do to strengthen those connections today?
We are all connected by invisible threads of humanity. Small acts of kindness can strengthen these bonds and create a more compassionate world.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment and share for more videos. Bye bye.